Hello friends, this is Sparsh Gupta. So today we are going to continue our posture which I left in my previous video. So let's begin. One is step 4. Edit. Now step 4 is finish video. No, video. Okay, done. I'll edit this one. Now I have to write click on finish video that is at the top right corner. Out, make it a bigger. Yeah, done now the screenshot. Here, done. And click on finish video. Here it is. So done, we have done it, and we have to now click on and paint 3D. Here, shapes. Here. First, let me go. Done. Now I can new. Here, like save as. If close, close this. So finish video is here. You can when you click on finish video, here is the option of export. You want to export, cancel, export. Where you want to save is here. So I don't want to save it anywhere. So done, and I'm closing it. Just have to upload the photo that is here. Loading. Here is the here. This is done. Text is step 4. 4. Done all the steps, and then we have done a poster. Now it has been saving and saved. Now I will change this. My poster of split. Done. Now you can save it, or you want to do anything. So friends, we have done our poster. So in the next video, let me think. I will tell you in the next video that what I am going to do. So till my next video, bye bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on the bell icon that you so that you will get the notification of for me next of my next video. So till my next video, bye. Have a nice day.